St. Anne's reel, slow. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to play each little section of the A part very slow here and very short. I'm going to black out the screen, so what I want you to do to learn by ear is listen to it. After that phrase is played, stop the video and sing it out loud. If you can sing it out loud and you're sure what you sang is what you heard, you go to the instrument and you find those notes. Here's the first little phrase. 1, 2, 3. Here's the B part. Learn it the same way. 1, 2, 3. On these last notes, make sure this is down, up, and this is up, down. Next section. Down, up, down. For a tag ending, I'll play this slow. Please subscribe, click the bell for notifications, click like, and leave a nice comment as a sacrifice to the algorithm. If you like what you are learning, I ask that you consider supporting my efforts on my Patreon page. Member privileges include early access to videos, exclusive Patreon-only videos and articles, monthly Q&A live stream, and a monthly private lesson. A special thanks to these supporters. You can do this and get a shout out too at patreon.com/Pete Martin. And I'll see you on the next one.